Everyone, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, also harbachelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so we have another Ameritron Al811H. This is an older one. Someone changed the meter lamps at some point. They didn't do a good job. The wire's almost touching the needle, so I'm going to change both of those over to LEDs. I'm going to replace the plate choke. This one does not look in good condition. Needs a parasitic board, needs the diodes on the rear board, needs the bias modification. The grids need to be grounded. It has resistors down below. I'll show them. It's hard to see, but they are there. So lots of other little things. Cleaning the rotary switches with deoxit gold. Getting a brand new set of Penta lab tubes. The SO239s come from Max Gain Systems. So I'll update you along the way, but I'm going to get to work. This one's going to take a while. Please like, share, and subscribe, and keep the amplifiers coming. I love working on amplifiers. See you guys in a bit, in a long bit. Stay tuned. I mentioned that it has the smaller mica caps in here. They use 500 PF1s and also 360s. I purchased the last of the 360s that Ameritron had in stock. I couldn't find them anywhere else. They had a whole bunch of 500s left, but I bought an equal amount of both. Some they use 2 360s and then one 500, or one 500 and one 360. So I'm going to get back to work. See you guys. I have the socket assembly folded up. See the grid resistors. I'm not sure if these are non-inductive or not. You want these to be non-inductive. It's the optimal type. What I do here is I clip as close to the solder connection as possible, and then I restrip them and wrap them around. I don't unsolder the leads from the board. Let's see, actually I'm gonna have to replace these wires. They're just tag soldered on. I like to wrap around. I'm just fussy like that. Like I've said, both of them are like that. Okay, so back to work. See you guys soon. Back with the completed socket assembly. I compressed socket clips, cleaned them, grounded each grid connection directly to the metal, added the 2 gas discharge tubes. One socket screw was missing, along with the fiber washer and nut, obviously. So had internal tooth crush washer / lock washers between the standoffs and the metal. That's the first time I've seen that. You always want the standoffs directly against the metal, because you want as low of an inductance as possible connection between the metal here, this plate, and the chassis for the path back from the grid to the plate air variable capacitor. So I installed split lock washers underneath each screw for the standoffs, and I relocated the connection for the neutralization transformer here. So that leads shorter. I put it through and soldered it. Okay, so I'm going to get back to work. We're moving along here. Put a piece of coax in. New SO239s from Max Gain Systems. Cleaned the TR/bias relay. Added the diodes for the bias circuit. Added the wire for the bias mod. Zip tied all the wiring. Added the larger mica caps. Huge difference in current handling capability. Okay, so these ones will drift in value as they heat up, so way more stable. Don't have to worry about any failures. Okay, so I'm going to put the socket assembly back in. Also tighten this nut right here, back of the air variable cap for the plate side. So see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Sorry for the squeaky chair. Okay, I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al811H. Customer wants to see it working on 20 meters. Radio is set to roughly 70 watts or so. 1 kW slug. Bird 43 PEP kit is on. There are the settings right there. It's on 20 meters. Okay, the amplifier. Audio, hello, 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 hello. Audio 800, 800, 800, 800. Going into bird demi load. Hello, 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 hello. Audio, hello, hello. Audio, hello, hello, hello. Oh yeah, and it is working as it should. Okay, so I'm going to finish testing the other bands, and then I will show you the inside. See you guys soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back with the inside of the Ameritron Al811H. Changed the meter lamps over to LEDs, did the bias modification, put in the larger mica caps, cleaned the band switch with deoxide gold, compressed the coil, it was spread a bit, put in a Ameritron parasitic board, put a longer screw on the top of the plate choke, longer screw on the base of the plate choke, brand new plate choke, grounded each grid connection for each socket directly to the chassis, added gas discharge tubes below, compressed socket clips, added the screw that was missing from one of the sockets, took those split crush washers out between the standoffs and the metal, and now the standoffs are touching the metal, and I put split washers between the 632 screw head and the metal so they're locked in place. Put in a piece of coax from the load air variable capacitor to the rear board, brand new SO239s from Max Gain Systems, clean the TR/bias relay with deoxide gold, put in the diodes for the bias circuit. You have to do that when you ground the grids. Clean the input rotary switch really well. Sometimes I go from one band to another. It would show a high SWR to the transceiver, then I'd click it back and forth and then it would go away, so I cleaned it really well. So that's all set. Tightened up on other hardware and fixed solder joints, zip tied all the wiring, and I think that's about it. So this thing is good to go. It needed a lot of work. It's 4:30. I've been working on this all day and I'm tired. So brand new set of Penta Lab tubes and SO239s from Max Gain Systems. Both great companies. I recommend both. So if you need any prepared, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. I also tighten up on the hardware for the mounting of the air variable capacitors and also the nut in the back of the plate tune air variable capacitor where it connects, where there's a solid conductor lead that goes up to the output network. You don't want that loose, and a lot of times it is loose. So thanks for watching. I hope everyone has a great day. I am tired. I'm going upstairs to relax, eat some food and relax. So hope everyone has a great day. 73.